Hello guys, in this class I am going to solve questions in coordinate geometry. Let us start with this question. We have been given find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 4, -7, -2 and 10, -5. We have been asked to find out the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given. Let me draw a triangle. Here we have a triangle. These are the vertices. Let us denote the first vertices as A, second is B, third is C. We have 3 vertices for triangle, and let us take this vertices as A. We have 3, 4. Take this as B, -7, -2. The last one is C. We have 10, -5. We have 3 vertices of a triangle. Let us denote it by x1, y1, and this is by x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Now if we draw a median of this vertices, then we have one point. This point is known as centroid. This point is known as centroid and it is denoted by the letter G. So we have to find out the value of G. We know this centroid G. We have x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is the formula for centroid G. X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, sum of x coordinates by 3, sum of y coordinates by 3. Now let us solve this question. Now G is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now we have x1 value is 3 plus x2 value is -7. So take -7 with bracket sign, plus sign is there, so write down plus x3 values we have 10 divided by 3. Similarly we have y1 value is 4 plus y2 value is -2, take bracket, plus y3 value is -5 divided by 3. Now plus into minus we have minus sign, plus into minus we have -7 plus 10 divided by 3. 4 plus into minus we have -2, plus into minus we have -5 divided by 3. Now we have 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is -4 plus 10 divided by 3. Here we have 4. These two are negative, so add these. We have -7 divided by 3. 10 minus 4 we have 6 by 3. We have 7 minus 4, so it will become -3 divided by 3. Here 7 has minus sign, so we will have negative here. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 ones, 3 ones. So we have 2, -1. This is the answer for centroid. Now the second question is find the distance between points 0, 0 and A, B. If we have a point P of x1, y1, another point Q, vertices x2, y2. If we have 2 points P of x1, y1, Q of x2, y2, if we are required to find the distance between P and Q, we have one formula. Distance PQ is denoted by letter PQ, that is equals to under root we have x2 minus x1 square y2 minus y1 square, y2 minus y1 square. This is the formula for finding the distance between 2 points, difference of x coordinate and difference of y coordinate. Here we have been given find the distance between 0, 0 and a, b. So let us take this point as p. P is 0, 0 and q is a, b. Now the distance PQ will be under root x2 minus x1. So this minus this, a minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1, b minus 0 square. So we have a minus 0 is a only, so it will become a square. B minus 0 is b only, so we have b square. So we have distance as root over a square plus b square units. We can write down as units. Similarly, find the distance between 1 and 5 and 5, 8. Let us take P. P as 1, 5 and Q as 5, 8. We can denote it by x1, y1, x2, y2. Now that distance formula is, we have distance PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1, 5 minus 1 because x2 is 5, x1 is 1. Difference of x coordinate 5 minus 1 square plus difference of y coordinate 8 minus 5. 5 minus 1 we have 4 square plus 8 minus 5 we have 3 square. So we have 4 square value is 16, 3 square value is 9. 16 plus 9 we have 25. Square root of 25 we have 5. So we have 5 units. The distance between these 2 points is 5 units. Find the midpoint of the line joining the points minus 5, 5 and 5, minus 5. Here we have been asked the midpoint. Let us take a point A of x1, y1, another point B of x2, y2. We have 2 points. Join these 2 points. We have a line segment, a line joining. Here we are required to find the midpoint, that is middle point. Midpoint. Let us denote this midpoint B by letter C. So C will be add x coordinate x1 plus x2 by 2. Add y coordinate y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. Now let us take this value as x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So midpoint, the solution for this question will be midpoint of, let us take this point as A and this point as B. Midpoint of AB is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 is minus 5 plus x2 value is 5 divided by 2. y1 we have 5 plus y2 value is minus 5. So take bracket by 2. 5 minus 5 we have 0 by 2. Plus into minus we have minus 5 minus 5 we have 0 by 2. 0 by 2 value is 0 only, 0. So we got midpoint as 0 by 0. Remember this formula for midpoint, x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. If the slope of the line passing through 2 points 2, 5 and 5, 8 is represented by tan theta, where Theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. In trigonometry, find the angle theta. We know that this is a line. Let us take 2 points P x1 comma y1. We have one point P of x1 comma y1, another point Q x2 comma y2. We have 2 points on a line. If this line is making an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction, then this angle be taken as positive. So this angle is taken as positive. Here the slope of this line, PQ, is denoted by letter M, and its value is difference in y coordinate, y2 minus y1 upon difference in x coordinate, x2 minus x1. So remember this formula for slope of a line having 2 points. In trigonometry, we have derived that slope is equals to tan theta. So we have to remember these two formulas. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and M equal to tan theta. Here we have been given 2 points. Now let us solve this. Take this point as P. Let P is equals to 2 comma 5 and Q is equals to 5 comma 8. x1 y1. Take this as x2 y2. We have M is equals to slope M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 value is 8 minus y1 5 divided by x2 5 minus 2. Difference in y coordinate by difference in x coordinate. So we have 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 2, we have 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we got M is equals to 1. Slope is 1. Here also we have M equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equals to M. That is equals to, the value of M is 1. So tan theta value is 1. In tan 45 degree value is this 1. Tan 45 degree value is 1. So tan theta equal to tan 45 degree. That implies this tan will get cancelled. We have theta is equals to 45 degree, the angle. This is the answer. Given A of 0, 3, B of k, 0 and AB equal to 5. Find the positive value of k. Given A is equals to 0, 3, let us take this as x1, y1. Similarly, we have B is equals to k, 0. Take it as x2, y2. Here we have been AB. AB is equals to 5. Here AB means distance between points A and B. So the formula for distance, we have square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equals to, we have 5. Now put x2 value is k minus x1 value is 0 square plus y2 value is 0 minus y1 value is 3 under root. Here we have 5. Now squaring on both sides, this square rule will get cancelled. We have k minus 0. K minus 0 is k only. So it will become k square. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 square. Is equals to, here we will have 5 square because we have squaring on both sides. Now we have k square minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus, we have plus 3 into 3, we have 9. So the value of this is 9 plus 5 square. 5 square is 25. Send this here. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, we have 16. We have k is equals to, if we send this square to that side, we have plus minus root 16. Plus or minus root 16 value is 4. Here we want positive value. So hence positive value is 4 only. So this is the answer for this question. Determine x so that 2 is the slope of the line passing through a of minus 2 comma 4 and b of x comma minus 2. Let us take a of minus 2 4 as x1 comma y1 and b of x comma minus 2 as x2 comma y2. Now slope is mentioned. Slope value is given as 2. For slope we have formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now the value of this m is given as 2. 2 is equals to y2. y2 value is minus 2. We have minus here y1. y1 value is 4 divided by x2. x2 value is x minus x1. x1 value is minus 2. Now interchange these two. Take this here, x minus into minus plus x plus 2 is equals to, we have minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So we have x plus 2 is equals to minus 3. Send this 2 to that side. We have x is equals to minus 3 minus 2. So the value of x will be minus 5. Hence x is equals to minus 5 is the answer for this question. What is the other end of the diameter of the circle whose center is 1, 2 and one end of the diameter is 3, 4? Here we have a circle. This is center C. Line passing through this C is diameter. So we have this diameter. We have 3 points. Center. Center is 1, 2. Center is given and one end of the diameter. One end. Let this end be A. Given as 3, 4. One end is given. This end is not given. So this is question mark. We have to find this value. So let us take this B. Take this as A, B. Now this center is the middle point of these two ends. So C is the midpoint. Solution from figure. Center is actually a midpoint. Now use formula for midpoint. We have formula C. C is equals to midpoint of AB. This C is a midpoint of AB. So we have given C. C value is given as 1, 2. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us take this as x1, y1 and take this as x2, y2. So we have 1, 2 is equals to x1. x1 value is 3 plus x2 value is a, y2, y1, x1 plus x2, 3 plus a by 2, y1 is 4 plus y2 value is b by 2. Now we can equate corresponding elements. 1 is equals to 3 plus a by 2. Similarly, 2 is equals to 4 plus b by 2. Now cross multiply 2 into 1, we have 2 is equals to 3 plus a. Similarly, cross multiply here 2 into 2, we have 4 is equals to 4 plus b. Now send this 3 here, we have 2 minus 3 is equals to a. 3 minus 2, we have minus 1. So minus 1 is equals to a. That is, a value is minus 1. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. We have 0 is equals to b. That is, b value as 0. So we got this other end as b is minus 1, 0. Answer for this question.